Hi beautiful Igbo Nono, welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. I've not showed my face in a while and I'll do that very soon. Today is another animated video. I'm going to teach you guys today how to communicate with one another, as in the first communication skills. Yes, it is called Nkata na Onu Igbo. Please follow me on Instagram at IgboLearning3. There I do so many things, interesting, fun things on Reels. Okay, so we start. You can see this young man is going to meet this lady now. He's going towards this lady's house. He's going to this lady's house, if I may say, and they will start to discuss. So here it goes. He sits down. The lady will say, "Noru Anna." The lady will tell the guy to sit down. Noru Anna. That is what you do when somebody comes to your house. You have to offer the person a seat. You tell the person, "Noru Anna." Yes. Noru Anna. No. Noru Anna. So now they are discussing. The lady is, sharing of course, discussion with the guy. So it goes this way. After the guy must have sat down. So the next thing is kedu kimere. That's how are you? Kedu kimere. So the guy is going to reply odemma. 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 So you tell the person kedu kimere odemma. And you goes on to tell the person Keka ubochi tata de. How is today? Keduka ubochi tata de. How is today? Keduka ubochi tata. You can say ubochi, you can say ubochi. It all depends on the dialect. Keduka ubochi tata de. So the guy is as well is going to reply to the lady. As he goes now, the guy will reply ubochi tata demma. Ubochi tata demma. Ubochi tata demma. The lady will also tell the guy, kedu ka ndị bunu mere? Kedu ka ndị bunu mere? Kedu ka ndị bunu mere? The guy will say, ndị be anyị dị mma. Ndị be anyị dị mma. Or you can say, mmadụ niile dị mma. Mmadụ niile dị mma. And the lady will say, kedu ka akwukwo dị tata? Kedu maka ụlọ akwụkwọ gị? Kedu ka school dị tata? Kedu ka ụlọ akwụkwọ dị tata? How is today at school? How is today at school? And you respond, ọ dị mma. Ụbọchị tata na school gara ọfụma. Ụlọ akwụkwọ gara ọfụma. Ụlọ akwụkwọ gara ọfụma. And the lady will go further to say also, kedu maka mpa gị? Kedu ka mpa gị mere? Kedu ka mpapa gị mere? And the guy there will say, papam dị mma. Papam dị mma. And the lady will also say, kedu ka mama gị mere? Kedu ka mama gị mere? And the guy will say, mama mu dị mma. Mama mu dị mma. Mama mu dị mma. So these are basically like first instance communication. When you meet someone and you want to communicate in Igbo language, this is the first instance of the communication. The things you have to ask. Yes, you have to exchange pleasantries that are familiar with your environment, with your activity, with your family, before you go further to discuss things of that very day. So after exchanging pleasantries, yes, after asking about your mom, your dad, your siblings, how your school is going, the next thing you're going to say in this situation is, you are the person that they came to visit, right? So you tell the guy, young guy, kedu ife ngemere gị n'ụbọchị tata? What can I do for you today? Kedu ife ngemere gị n'ụbọchị tata? You that came to visit the person, it depends. Maybe you came to see the person, you came to deliver a message from your mom, whatever the case may be. But in this instance, this lady will ask, kedu ife ngemere gị n'ụbọchị tata? And the guy will respond, onweghị. That means nothing. Onweghị. I just came to see you. Abịara m ịfụ gị. Abịara m ịfụ gị. Abịara m ịhụ gị. Depends on the dialect. You can say abiara m ịfụ gị, you can say abiara m ịhụ gị. It means the same thing, just dialect differences. Yes, abiara m ịhụ gị, abiara m ịhụ gị ka m mara ka ị mere. Abiara m ịhụ gị ka m mara ka ị mere. After that, you must have attended to the person fairly, and the both of you are standing up. Your discussion is over, and you are telling the lady standing up is telling him, okay, we'll see later. Extend my greetings to your mom. I ga-afụ ụbọchị ọzọ. Kenere mụ mma gị, kenere mụ mpa gị. Kenere mụ mma gị, kenere mụ mpa gị. I ga-afụ ụbọchị ọzọ. And the guy will start going. Ka ọ dịzịa, ka emesịa, ka ọ dịzịa, ka emesịa. Yes, guys, that is basically it. Hope this made sense to you. Yes, guys, hope this made sense to you. Yes, and Auntie Becky is going back to Auntie Becky is going back. Okay, guys, so hope this made sense to you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also tell me on the description, the comment section, the kind of videos you want to see from me, the kind of content you want to get from me. I'm here to deliver. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video as well. Please subscribe, like, share. I know you forget to do that, so yes, I know that. Please, and I'll be coming with another content very soon. You have a wonderful day.